Hello again, adventure-minded people. Welcome to Clark Adventures. Today, just a quick video showing how I tricked out my storage compartment. Little trick I learned to trick it out. Take a look at this. So you'll find these little mats at the Home Depot. They're $2.97 each. And what you do is you measure your compartment, and I had bare metal. There was a gray carpet kind of on the base of the cabinet. I already did this to the other side, but I redid this side. Just trim it with a straight edge and a sharp knife and a little spray glue on the bare metal wall and on the back of the thing, and a little putty knife or something to tuck it in nice and snug. And there you go. A tricked out storage cabinet. It'll add a little sound deadening, won't things rattling against the metal directly, and a little cushion to what you're traveling with in that. I already did it on the other side where we carry our Blackstone griddle, and now I did it on this side where we carry our propane tank and some firewood. There you go, a quick trick to trick out your storage compartment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.